Hi and welcome to juicesonline.com.au. Just wanted to show you how to put together the JuicePresso. First of all, we take the drum. We make sure that this tab is inserted, which will direct the pulp out the correct outlet. Then we have three little knobs here that we need to line up. Simply slot it on there. Then we take the strainer and these brushes. Put this together like so, and you notice there's a red mark here and there's a red mark here, so we need to line those up. If we don't line them up, then it won't go in properly, so we line it up, put it in properly. Then we take the auger, which is this screw here, and we simply put it into the mechanism like so. Make sure it's down properly. Then we take the hopper, slot it into the opening, and this is open and close. Move it around to the close, which lines up with the red marker. And there we go. All done. Very simple.